fucking recording this shit.
Oh my fucking god.
You have the aim of a stormtrooper.
You have one job. You have one job. Okay, there we go.
Wow, he still dies. Okay, I gotta think of something creative, something they'll never expect.
I'm with my family.
Uh-oh. Shit. Maybe they won't notice. I'm going to die.
If no one sees me here, I'm gonna yell.
I am literally stuck and cannot move. If they did not kill me, I'll be ashamed of them.
I'm 2OG.
Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa.
He's killing my family.
Whoa! I can't still move. What the fuck? Oh no!
He killed me. He killed me and my family.
Ah! Damn it!
Why were you a bike inside the house?
Okay, I was a fridge first. I got stuck. Then someone freed me, but then I accidentally turned into the bike. Cripple. Wow, crippled cat really. Oh my god, we all should just do that next round. That's for props. That's amazing. And they might as well just give up. Cat got this, man.
Oh my god. Not this guy again. He runs around as a tiny prop. Oh my. Oh, jukes.
Oh my god, I have an idea for next round.
Damn them jukes.
I'm gonna go in the laundry room and literally try to push that giant washing machine up against the door.
How has no one used a grenade?
Oh, I'll be there. I'll be there. I want to do.
Okay, cause I'm still recording. I'm definitely gonna do that. Someone's gotta be in there to help me do it. In fact,
Wow.
everyone on the team comes up to small, get in the laundry room. We're all gonna push.
I'll help you.
All right, yeah, we're all just gonna barricade the laundry room.
Alright.
It'll be
Wait,
beautiful.
has anyone seen Crippled Cat yet? He's through the roof.
No, yeah.
Well, he's like in the roof, but
He
yeah.
must be bored.
Oh god.
Oh my god. He Houdini. He's Houdini.
He's as stiff as a board too.
Oh my god, superior. Oh my god. They're never gonna find him.
Yeah, because their team is full of dumbasses.
Well, that and because he's hidden in like the most unseeable place.
No, usually people can go there, but now it's covered with
Yeah.
a closet. So yeah.
I know. that's what I'm talking about.
Oh fuck. He pushed.
Oh fuck, he gave
Oh,
him
shit.
away, dude.
Oh shit. The juke. The juke.
We got this shit.
Them jukes. You got
When
this.
he's hid behind the closet, he just gave away.
25 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my.
Hello.
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
What's that hunter doing?
Yeah,
no!
security's getting party now. 10 seconds. 8 seconds, 7. 5
Oh,
seconds.
my Lord.
3, 2, 1.
Did
Yeah.
anyone see that room that Hunter went
Oh,
what the Superior was in? He just stood there, did nothing, looked at the door. Oh shit. That's why I love prop hunt. Okay, let's see, anyone in here?
Oh wow, I spawned right next.
Oh hey! Hey, let's fill some props. Holy hell. Oh, the bottle! What the fuck to go? Milk cart!
Get
Got you, bitch!
He's count. God.
Alright guys, we're in the next plan. Everyone become a small prop and just go in the laundry room. We're gonna barricade the shit out of the laundry room.
Okay.
Hell yeah. So.
No.
How do I get my grenade that I just bought?
You have to buy one from F4.
I did.
Oh, then right click with your SMG and it'll blow things up.
Can we even push
Ah, okay. I have 23,000 points. I think I can buy grenades.
Okay. Where's
Tell me what you guys think they are.
Oh, please tell me we can't
I
actually
think
not
one's
push
in
this.
the roof.
I have a grenade. You think they're back there?
Pretty sure someone's in the roof.
What? Has anyone noticed this zombie who's about to be cooked?
What? Desperate times call for
What?
desperate
Oh.
measures.
Kobe!
I mean, the town's right across the street.
Oh hey, we won.
Yeah. Operation Laundromat
Yeah.
Barricade.
Hey
Let's
troll,
do this.
what's my channel? Oh they can't hear me, can they? Alright everyone, Operation Laundry Room, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Hurry, 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 I'm out of time. Oh fuck. Go.
I'm in. Get in.
I can't, oh god, I need
Who the hell is that?
I'm stuck, help!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Close the door,
We're
close the
gonna
door, close the door, close the door!
Yeah.
Ha!
Who is this?
Yes!
Yes!
Block the door!
You'll never get through me!
No.
Oh shit, I'm dead!
Oh my god. No. I'm gonna block the door. Block the door.
Save the children!
So.
You guys got this, carry on my
Burn a
mission.
book. Save a child.
Oh god.
Holy shit! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Fuck. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh wait,
my
I think we did it.
God.
Okay, I think I figured out how we
Holy
can do
shit.
it. As soon as everyone gets in the room, someone has to transform into the big washing machine. That way it'll get closer to the wall. Or to the
Oh
door.
my god.
Hunter can't get
This
out!
guy's fucking blind. This guy's fucking blind.
He can't get out!
Oh, hello there, brother. Oh my god. He can't get out. Yeah, block the door, bitch.
Yeah, put spaces there.
I'm trying to push it. It won't do anything.
Wow, how are you still alive?
I don't. This guy's a fucking dumbass. He can't get out now.
I think this worked out better
Oh my
than
God.
I originally planned.
Oh my. Holy shit.
Okay, next time we're props, we gotta try that again.
This
except
dumbass right here.
we gotta make it a little more
This
successful.
dumbass right here. I'll be successful. I'm gonna push this all the way.
Wow, amazing.
He was staring right at me.
Alright, here's the plan for the next time we're props. Everyone get in there, and I'm gonna change to the washing machine and try to get to morph me into the door. That way they can't get in, even if they kill me.
Yeah. Yeah. No, wait, I'll turn into the washing machine.
Okay,
Because they're gonna kill me first. I'm gonna do it for the team.
okay. Take sacrifice for the team,
Or
man.
whoever's in the laundromat. I'm gonna take one for the team.
Go away or I shall taunt you a second time. The OxyClean detergent bar.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, Cripple Bat's using
Oh
the same
my-
damn spot again.
Fun. This dumbass right here. Yes, a pot. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Get on the bar.
Oh god,
He
he's
didn't
dead!
move. He's
Cripple,
still in the roof.
Cripple Cat got this shit.
They're never going to find him.
Go away or I shall
They're too damn stupid.
second time.
Crippled cat, you're our only hope.
He's got it. There's no way they can.
You have to take one. No, they're never going to find him.
Go away or I shall taunt you a second time.
Look at that. He's so combat. He could taunt them all to death.
Oh my god.
Okay. Tell you. Do you know?
I'll be back.
Nothing, man.
Hey, Cripple Cat, is it?
Is he confident enough? Wait, is he stuck in the roof?
I don't know. Hey, Cripple Cat, is it boring? Is it boring to be up there?
No, he's just a board against the wall, and so he pops up the roof.
While you guys are hunting, I'm gonna see if there's a way to push that big giant washing machine.
Get up. Gotcha, bitch.
What the fuck? There goes the book.
It's a book. Burn a book. Save a child. Burn a book. Burn the book.
Close the door! Close the door!
Burn a book. Save a child.
Alright, prop, it's just me and you. No, get back here, get back here! Get him! Get him!
He's a beer bottle. Holy shit. He's still a book.
Come on. There's no way to push this? I guess not. Alright, then we'll have to go plan B then. Okay, you two, get out of the way. Let me leave.
You're trapped here now.
Yo, fuck
He committed suicide.
this. I'm free now, motherfuckers.
Yeah, you're free in the afterlife.
It's actually pretty nice here.
This man right here is pretty suspicious. He might be a prop.
Okay, about maybe 4 or 5 of us need to go in the laundry room, and the rest of us need to go hide somewhere else. That way, they won't kill us all in one go if they do somehow get through.
Holy shit. The kitchen got wrecked in 5 minutes.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah, there's blood everywhere. Everything's upside down. Normal day in prop hunt.
Yeah, a bunch of people hunting down props. That's normal. I see it. If one person can just change the washing machine in the right place, it should start getting closer to the door. And then when they die, the rest of us will be safe.
Fuck.
It's so easy, even your kids can do laundry. I'll be back.
Oh, if you guys ever want to be part of me on other videos I do on here, you can just friend me on Steam, and we'll hang out sometimes, do recordings.
Go away or I shall taunt you a second time. The OxyClean detergent ball.
Alright guys, go, 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 go. 4 or 5 people, laundry room. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm
Oh shit, is the hunter in
the
there?
fuck out of the way.
Quick, hide something natural in the laundry room until he goes away.
Shit, shit, shit.
Wait until he leaves, wait until he leaves. Everybody act natural. Stop moving, stop moving, stop moving!
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. Our book does not belong here.
Please come again.
Holy
Are they
shit.
gone? Are they gone?
I don't.
Yes, they are gone. They're gone. There's no one in here except for us. Oh god, they're coming to the door. Don't
Go, go.
come. Oh god.
I'm pushing the. They're stuck. They're outside.
Push it! Push it! Quick! Push it!
Yeah.
Push
I'm
it!
pushing. Help me.
Push!
Whoever's the model, help me. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on! You gotta
Wait,
keep him
who
out!
the heck-
You gotta keep him
Who the
out!
hell is... Who the hell is the gun?
Oh my god! Yes! Yes! It's
Oh my
working!
God.
It's working!
We just cheated the game. Holy
Yes!
shit.
They can't kill us!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Who's that guy?
Why
Oh
did
my
you come
God.
with another one? Why did you come with another one? Oh shit!
let's do it.
We got this shit.
Yeah, we did it.
Oh
We
my
did it.
god, I can't believe we just got away with this shit. Can't get us
We
now,
did it.
can you,
Oh my
hunters? Huh?
Can someone bring me a
I think
prop
there's
so I
one
can
still
get
trying to
Oh
get in.
my
machine?
god, this is better than
There's one
expected.
still trying to get in. Oh my god.
I gotta see the condition.
Holy shit.
I can watch the hunters try to get in. This is amazing.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm stuck next to the
We're
I'm stuck
fine.
next to the laundry machine.
It's fine. It's fine. They can't get in.
Yeah.
I'm blocking it.
Way to go! You did. Oh shit. Well, they can't get in, so we're good.
Exploits OP.
Oh.
I'm free.
Oh my god. Well, they can't kill us three. So first. Oh shit! What the fuck?
What?
Did he shoot it to the wall? Oh my god!
To the window, to the wall.
Oh shit! Stay away from the hole in the wall. Stay away from the hole in the wall.
Become what
Just
I
hide
am.
behind the washing machines. Or in the bathtub. In the bathtub.
In the bathtub, everyone. Let's go.
Crouch jump.
Fuck,
I'll be safe in here.
Wait,
Hurry.
first let me become something small.
Push a prop over to it and jump on the prop. Push a prop over to it and jump on the prop.
What? Oh shit! What the fuck?
I'll take one for the team. Don't worry.
Oh
my
shit!
fucking
You,
God.
you made
I was
this
trying to
wreck
reach
it.
for the
Oh my
pen.
god! I hope the washing machine does not move.
No, it's
Killing
fine.
himself trying to get
I'm
through.
fine. I think there's like 2 people.
YouTube hit. Door blocked by giant washing machine.
Oh shit, Yeah, push me out. Please help me.
Hang on.
Push me out.
Let's see if I can help. We can't.
Become the prop below you. Become the prop below you.
He can't because he's
Yes.
stuck. You gotta push him out.
Yes.
The OxyClean
Help me.
detergent bar.
Huh.
I'm slowly moving.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now there's 2 big washing machines. Yeah. Now I need to occupy twice as much space as I needed to.
It's so easy, even your kids can do laundry.
Okay. Fine.
Oh, dude, they can shoot over. Watch out. They can shoot over it.
We're not going to go on top of it though. I mean, if they had a grenade, we would be all fucked.
Yeah, but I think they don't. So.
Not necessarily.
Oh shit!
They missed! They did, but they missed. Dumbasses.
GG.
I'm gonna peek through the wall and watch them try to get their poor attempts to get in. And there goes another one. Oh shit! This is the
It's
best.
driving them insane.
Oh.
Well, I know we're doing again Ever Props again.
Oh my god. I'm doing that again, yeah.
Yeah, me too. That was amazing. That was beautiful.
So we need 5 people for that though.
Yeah.
5 or 4.
Minimum 5 people. Other people just go
Yeah.
hide somewhere else.
Can someone donate me some points?
Man, the other team must be so freaking pissed right now. Oh shit! Let me try what we're doing. Hurry up! We gotta stop them. Guys, hurry up! They're gonna try what we're doing. Hurry up! Stop them! Stop them!
They're gonna come in.
Do it!
Fucking sons of bitches! That's our idea! Don't fucking do it!
Get him!
Fuck it! Get him! Get in the
Oh.
bathroom, quick!
They're not in the bathroom, they're in the laundry thing.
Wow, they
But I'm
got
pretty sure
themselves all killed just because of that one mistake.
There's 3 left. And I'm pretty sure half of them was over here. Look at all this blood.
Jesus Christ. Make sure
Someone
there's
had
no
their
more in the
period over.
bathroom. Like, make sure there is no more in the bathroom.
Yeah. There's no more in the laundry room.
Alright, someone watch
That
it.
means
make
the rest
sure-
of them are upstairs.
I'm gonna guard this room, don't worry.
Alright,
If any...
I'm not having to pull
Holy
that
shit.
shit. Only we can do that. Man, they
Only
must
we
be,
can do that shit.
they must be so butthurt right now.
It's a book. He's a book.
Where?
Watch out. There's a book running around.
Damn, they so butthurt.
What's worse is they're gonna find out I
There's
recorded
one
that
guy
shit.
left, and I'm almost positive he's a book.
You're almost positive he's a book.
Yeah, and I keep hearing his taunt upstairs, so...
You don't
Okay, then he's a book.
power of the dark side.
Okay, fuck that, I'm not guarding that shit.
He's in a freaking dark side taunt.
It's just one more. He can't do it. Oh, and okay, now there's one more left.
It's Brandon Buffington.
Okay, guys, we got 2 minutes to find this jerk. We can do it.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
Brandon is pretty dirty.
Oh no, we were
Okay, so
dirty
he's
doing
something
that
dirty.
shit we did.
Is he on the
Yes.
fucking roof? He's like right next
Actually,
to
we
me,
were
but I
pretty
can't
clean
see
because
him.
there were We're pretty clean because we had a bathtub there.
Oh yeah, yeah, you're right. We did.
We take things to a whole nother level of exploits
Pretty sure he's
And hack.
on the roof that glitched.
and
Like,
cheats.
as soon as they try, I had a feeling they were gonna try that. What we did.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I would if I saw that.
Yeah. Wait, did you come up with that?
Oh hell yeah. Yeah, I was like telling everyone, hey, we should go in the laundry room, try to move that big washing machine in front of the door.
Alright, someone find a book.
He keeps playing his taunt, and I hear it as if he's on the roof. Like, on the roof, outside.
He can't be on the roof
He probably
outside,
glitched
that's
into the
impossible.
roof. I already checked this plate. I already checked the top. So. Wait, can you turn into this long pole thing?
No. Oh. New queen!
Oh.
Nice!
Oh.
Where was he?
Yeah.
Move the wheelbarrow. Move the
Alright.
wheelbarrow.
Activate.
Ah, we can't do it again, I'm sad.
Aw, shit.
Oh well, I
Dang.
think once is enough.